What do you imagine when you hear Bali? A paradise island in the Indian Ocean where adventure awaits? Maybe something like this. And yes, Bali is all of that, but to me, the most important part are the people. Hard workers by blood, genuine people by soul. We were invited to a local ceremony, a cremation. The locals told us that when a person dies, you are not allowed to cry. You must be happy, happy for their rebirth. Every travel shapes you as the person who you are. And indeed, after Bali, I felt reborn. I'm grateful for all those adventures I got to experience and for all the new friends I made. And last but not least, I want to tell you to believe in yourself. Because maybe the person who you hope to be is always you.